In this video, we will start writing our first PHP code. We will start with creating files and writing the code. Let us create a new file under our website folder. Save the file. I will give the file name test.php. We are writing PHP code, so the file extension must be PHP. Now, when I reload the local host in the browser, we can see test.php file is listed. If we click on it, then we can see its content. Currently, our test.php is empty, because we have not written any content in our file. Now if I delete the file, and reload the local host, then error 404 occurs, because our server doesn't contain test.php file. Hover over to Sublime, and again create a new file. While saving the file, I will give the name index.php. Now reload the browse. At this time browser automatically load index.php page. It is because index.php is the main file, or starting file, which will run by default in PHP server. So in generally, we will create our home page on index.php, and all other page will be linked to index.php. Let's begin with writing our first PHP code. To write PHP code, at the very top we will start opening PHP tag. It is written by opening angular bracket, question mark and PHP. Now, we will print message, hello everyone, to the web browser. To print message, we will use echo statement. Write echo, followed by your message, in between double quote. At the last of statement write semicolon. It will indicate the termination of current statement. Let's save the file, and check in the web browser. Here we get our message, hello everyone. Thank you for watching, and we will start variable in our next lecture.